ranking every YC startup in this summer 25 batch based solely on idea. Next up, Datafruit, your AI DevOps engineer. Datafruit is building the first agentic DevOps engineer. Eliminate ops friction with your personal DevOps engineer, meaning you connect all of your documents, repos, runbooks, Slack, all of the context it needs to understand what you're building and how your architecture works. At that point, you can pretty much ask Datafruit anything and it will execute that across your entire technology stack, meaning it will deploy resources, migrate data, and a ton of other things in relation to your DevOps ecosystem. This is a really solid idea. In a world where we're seeing applications scale, DevOps is one of the most painful parts of scaling a software business, and it can oftentimes be very expensive. And if you get it wrong, it can also cost you a lot of money. So an agent that can spin up resources based on your stack or give you advice on the types of resources you need to spin up based on what you're building and your target customer base or user base can be very valuable. So imagine you're working at an enterprise company and you want to optimize your DevOps stack. You could give the data of what you're currently running to their application, and their AI agent is going to basically conjure up a new stack for you or rework your current stack to make it more efficient and scale better for your user base. And once it's all done, you can actually check that it did exactly what it said it was going to do. And even if you're not someone who's super tech savvy, imagine you've built your own app and it's starting to scale and grow faster than you would have expected. Being able to use a platform that can basically tell you what to spin up based on your documentation to allow you to have a more optimized DevOps environment is pretty good. Like, that's a use case I could see people using. Datafruit is an A-tier idea. It's really solid and solves a need for something that is going to become more and more prevalent over time. The idea that you can use Datafruit to spin up your stack and get the best recommendations, but also as your company scales, you get to continue using this AI DevOps engineering agent to continue optimizing your stack over time. So as it grows or as your company grows, Datafruit grows with you and learns more about the resources because it's helping you spin them up. So it just eliminates potential DevOps issues you have. And make sure you're following because we're ranking every startup in the YC Summer 25 batch.